Good morning, students of class 2. We have come back to our moral science class. We have already completed our syllabus. Today I am going to do revision. We already started revision. I have done chapter 1 last day. Today I am going to start chapter 2. Today is 2nd August. So I think by this month we will have our test on moral science. So prepare yourself. Whatever I have given you and whatever I will give you, you have to learn this thing nicely. Sharing is good. Once upon a time, there was an elephant called Jojo. She loved to draw. Jojo enjoyed drawing on the walls of mountains. She drew her favorite mango tree. She drew the clouds in the sky and the pond from which she drank water. She drew her friend the egret. "You draw so well," said the other animals, "but there is something missing in your drawing," said an old elephant. "There is no color in what you draw." Jojo was sad. "How do I bring colors to my drawings?" "Here," said the sky. "Let me share some blue with you." And the sky touched the tip of Jojo's brush with blue. Splash! The blue went into the pool drawn on the side of mountain. The other liked the ideas of sharing. Mango tree gave Jojo green, while the flowers gave red, pink, and yellow. From that day, Jojo's drawing were full of color. This made everyone happy. Even the sky, the trees, and the flowers were happy. So, what do we learn from this chapter? It is good to share things with others. Sharing makes us happy. It makes others happy too. If you share things, others too will share with you. Asking for too many things from others is not sharing. Favorite means the one thing or person you like the most. So I have to revise the question answers here. What was missing from Jojo's drawing? Color was missing from the drawing of Jojo and elephant. What did the sky give Jojo? The sky gave Jojo blue color. What did the mango tree share with Jojo? The mango tree shared green color with Jojo. Who gave red, pink, and yellow to Jojo? The flowers gave red, pink, and yellow to Jojo. How did everyone feel after sharing colors? Everyone felt happy after sharing the colors, and Jojo became happy too. Yes, you have to learn the question answers and spelling too. And I have given you something to complete in your book with wood color pencil on page 13. Have you done it? Yes, if I get chance, I will ask the book from you, or you may send the pictures to me after 15th August. Okay, I will check it. But better on 16th August, I will check it. Okay, I said put a tick to show sharing. Yes, the children are sharing their umbrella. The children are sharing their book. The children sharing their tiffin. And children are fighting on over a toy. It's not good. Okay. So when you get something from anybody, you must say thank you. And who is receiving after receiving any gift or any word like thank you, you have to say welcome also in return. Okay. So thank you today. Yes, open page 14. We live in this world of plants, birds, insects, and other animals. Circle the things both people and animals need. Water, yes. Computer only we need. The students and the working person need. Food, both plants and birds and insects, animal world need sunlight. Yes, circle it. No toothbrush, no watch. Plants share many things with us. Some of these are hidden below. Can you find them? Yes, I have circled them. First one is fruit. Second one is wood. Third one is vegetables. Fourth one is shade. And last one is flowers. So, we are how generous by getting this thing from our nature. How grateful, sorry. And nature is generous by giving these things to us in bounty, isn't it? So we must be thankful to our nature mother. Yes, we have to protect and love our nature. So thank you for today.